Guys, welcome back to another video. In this video we're going to talk about how to fix iPhone apps are not opening and how you can fix this up. So let's get started. So some of the users are having this issue, so we have 3 steps which you have to follow. The first one is make sure that you're not in the beta versions or RC versions. So if you're on the beta as well as on the RC versions, and then you'll be definitely having this issue. So this is what you have to do. So the first thing, as you can see, so right now as you can see that right now I'm over here right now in this devices on the beta versions. So that's why I'm having this issue. I had this issue a couple of times when I'm trying to open some of the apps like Instagram and Snapchat. It's not working so good. So I have this issue. So I request, if you're on the beta versions or in any kind of RC, then what you have to do is just have to go for the official update and you just have to update. This is what you have to do. Moving on to the next solution is all about, you have to make sure that the software is up to date, as well as you have to make sure when you're trying to open some app it's not working, then probably one of the reason is this might be updating in the updating panel, which means on the app store. As you can see, if you go to the app store, so this is where we can see, as you can see, we have an option like Instagram, YouTube and all those things, and even if you go for more, you'll be having tons of apps over here. So you'll be having some of the apps. So here, as you can see, in some cases, update recently, right? So this app will be having an update option, or it will be getting updated. So in the meantime, when it's getting updated, when you're trying to open the respective app, it will be either grayed out or you'll not be able to launch it up. So that is why the reason it is happening. So you just have to go over here on your app store. Over here you just have a profile icon, you just have to scroll down and you can see like this. And now as you can see, the updated very recently when I had this issue. That's why I made this video. So where I have mentioned this is going to fix the issue. So if any kind of updates are going on when you connect it to any kind of Wi-Fi, then most thing what you have to do is just have to wait for it. And once it is done, what you have to do is just have to wait for a short period of seconds or minutes. Once the update is complete, you can open the apps and most probably you'll be able to good to go. So these are the basic steps which you have to try out when you're having an issue on your apps are not opening or it's been stuck somewhere else. So this is how you can fix this up, and I hope this video is helpful. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.